Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'm going to be going over the Byakov dashcam and the Pathinglek dashcam. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over first the features for the Byakov dashcam. Then I'll go over the features for the Pathinglek dashcam. And then I'll go over what they both have. What are the features that are the same? Then I'll show some driving footage. And then what I'll do is I'll go over what is the difference of these dashcams. That way you can make a decision on which dashcam is right for you. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, welcome back. At any time if this video is helpful for you, ring that bell and I appreciate that from you. Alright, let's get started now. The Byakov dashcam enables a 1080p Full HD video, which gives you good quality. Now this also comes with a 6-glass lens and a 1.5 LCD display to view the menu, but this is also small enough to discreetly display the dashcam. Now this also comes with the 170 degrees wide angle lens, which easily covers 4 lanes. This also comes with super nighttime vision and WDR technology, which is also known as wide dynamic range. For more information on the Byakov dashcam, I'll put a playlist in the top right corner for you to view. Now let's go ahead and look at some driving footage. The dashcam also comes with G-sensor, also known as gravity sensor. The G-sensor will automatically detect a collision or shake and will lock the current video. Now this locked video will not be overridden with loop recording. Now if in case you see an incident or accident in front of you that you're not involved in, you could always hit the emergency lock video. To activate emergency lock video, all you have to do is press a button on the dashcam and it will automatically lock that current video. The G-sensor will also give you parking monitoring. When your vehicle is bumped or shaken, it would automatically lock the current video, just as it would if you were involved in a collision. If you need more information on G-sensor, I'll put a link on the top right for you. Next we have is loop recording, where you could set this to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute loop recording. Now with loop recording, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to delete any files. The dashcam will automatically delete the oldest video for you. If you need more information on loop recording, I'll put a link on the top right for you. Finally, it has an operating temperature at a -86 Fahrenheit up to 158 Fahrenheit. Now this also comes with a 2-year warranty and satisfaction guaranteed on this product. Now this product is under $50 and usually ships between 1 to 2 days. The Pathinglek dashcam records at a 1080p Full HD video. It's a 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. It has a 3-inch LCD screen, which is large enough to view your footage on your dashcam, and you're able to see what the dashcam is recording. It has a 170 degree wide angle lens. It comes with WDR technology and loop recording. Now let's look at some driving footage. dash cam also comes with G sensor, which of course is our gravity sensor, and locked video. So anytime your G sensor is activated, it will lock that current video and would not be overridden. Now, in case you see an incident in front of you, you could also use the emergency lock video function. It also comes with parking monitoring, which you will need to use a hardwire kit. And of course, it comes with motion detection. Now let's go over the Pathinglek operating temperature. The only thing I could find is the maximum temperature is 107 degrees Fahrenheit. This dash cam also has a lifetime support. Now let's take a look what they have similar. They both have a 1080p Full HD, 170 degree wide angle lens, WDR technology, G sensor, and loop recording. Now let's go over the difference. I put them side by side so you can see what the difference is. The Byakov has a 1.5 LCD screen, as the Pathinglek has a 3-inch LCD screen. Now the Byakov is small. You could still see, but it's going to be very small. You'll be able to see the menu okay, but as to reviewing the footage, it'll be better to see it on a Pathinglek screen, which has a 3-inch LCD screen, and you'll be able to see the footage with no problem. And as say, for example, a passenger, a child, whoever wants to view the footage as you're driving, they'll be able to do that with a 3-inch screen. So the 3-inch screen to me is a plus. The Byakov has 4 buttons, as where the Pathinglek has 7 buttons. You'll be able to use the menu easier with the Pathinglek dash cam because you have more buttons to scroll up, scroll down, an OK button, and which makes it easy to use the menu. Compared whereas the Byakov, you have 4 buttons. You would think less buttons is more user friendly, but some buttons you have to use twice or press twice to get to the next menu. It's just your preference. If you like less buttons, the Byakov is the one to go. If you want more user-friendly buttons, Pathinglek is the best one. Now, the maximum storage the Byakov dash cam can use is a 64 gigabyte, compared to the Pathinglek, which is a 32 gigabyte. Now, they both record at 1080p, so you have more than enough room to record. Now, over time, your G sensor will be locking a lot of videos. So over time, the Byakov, you'll be able to store more locked videos, whereas the 32 gigabyte, if you don't format your micro SD card, say every 6 months, then the amount of footage to be recorded will be limited, whereas the Byakov will have more space to record. Whereas in the long run, the 64 will be better if you don't even want to bother with your dash cam. You don't want to review footage. You just want it there in case something happens. Either way, both of them should be sufficient. Now, the Byakov comes with a 2-year warranty, whereas the Pathinglek has lifetime support. So if something goes wrong with the Pathinglek, well, you'll get support to try to fix it or see what's wrong. Whereas the Byakov, you got 2 years to send it in and for the manufacturer to fix it. So either way, you get some support. I have both cameras for over 2 years and I have no problems with either one. They both still work and they're both fine. Now, with the Byakov being a 1.5 LCD screen, it is more compact, whereas the Pathinglek dash cam is a full-size dash cam. Now, the Byakov, you could hide more, like say, for instance, under your rear view mirror, and you won't be able to see it that much, or your passengers. Whereas the Pathinglek, it's a standard size dash cam. Either one is fine. Either one will do its job. These are the differences between the Byakov dash cam and the Pathinglek dash cam. I went over the differences. I went over what each dash cam features are. I went over some driving footage for you to review. We went over the similar features. And lastly, the difference. I hope this video was helpful for you to make a decision. If this video was helpful for you, hit that like button. I appreciate that from you. If you have any questions or comments about these products, leave them in the comment section down below. All the products will be linked in the description down below to purchase. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for all notifications, because we got more dash cams comparisons coming soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.